Hey guys, welcome back to another Green Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and the new iPhone 16 lineup, of course. So let's get into it, guys. Now, it is available as soon as 2-day free shipping, but let's actually see what's in stock. So I told you guys we were gonna revisit this topic once it finally came out. Of course, now it's been a couple days since it came out, so let's see how bad the back orders are. So let's get into it. Of course, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 are here. Get $1,000 off all iPhone 16 models. Shop now. Like I said, we'll go into that right now. So it says iPhone 16 Pro on us, now available with 2-day shipping, no trade-in required. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here it is, infinite access for iPhone. Of course, that's through like Boost Infinite. It's where you get a bill credit every month towards that phone. So we'll go into it in all that details. So here you go. Let's go ahead and look at the iPhone 16 Pro. As you can see, here it is. Like I said, this is if you would be going through them. If not, here's the price of the phone. Let's actually back up a little bit. How can I shop for phones? Found the button. I was like, how do you shop for phones? There it is. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is a kind of page I wanted to show you guys. Quick video. Let's say just to let you know, of course, it's out now, but let's look at the pricing actually. So there's an iPhone 16. This is the base model, the Plus, Pro, Pro Max. I'll actually tell you something about that in a little bit. Well, later. So let's go ahead and let's just say you want to get the iPhone 16. You can keep your number or get a new number. As you can see, here's the two different prices. Of course, it's these two prices under $1,000. This one costs a little bit extra. The cool color I personally would get is probably the Ultramarine, just because I'm playing Space Marines right now. So you know, so as you can see, you can get the 256 or the 128. So let's say 256. It does look like they do have some in stock. So you could get the Boost protection with Apple Care, but of course you could just get that by yourself. I would just get it through Apple. Myself, I never get it through the carrier or anything like that. Like I said, just straight up get it through Apple. So pretty cool. Let's say you want to get a new number. Then a special deal right there says requires infinite access for iPhone, $65 a month plan. Like I said, I've made this video before, guys. If you really think about it, you get like the $30 plan. The rest of it really is the phone payment. So is it really free? Not really. Of course, a 36-month financing of $25.83 a month, which is not bad. Or you can pay for it and it'd be $930. Remember, I did the 250, so it does cost a little bit more. If you did the 128, it is that price. So let's just say you want to add it, and you can add it to your cart. So, of course, here's the protection. You know, like I said, Apple Care, full retail cost if you break it. Screen repairs are only $29 for screen repairs. Liquid damage is covered, lost, theft, premium tech support, and lookout premium. So you can just be like, I'll risk it. And from there, you can pick a plan, guys. So as you can see, you do get a half off with a $25 bill credit. So if you do the $25 plan, it's free, of course. Free for 12 months with a $25 bill credit, taxes extra. So this is another promotion they have going on. Of course, it's $25 forever, but 30 gigs of premium data, no contract required, unlimited talk, text, and data. Unlimited Plus, of course, you get half off. It's usually $50. It's unlimited talk, text, and data with hotspot and 40 gigs of premium data. This one does have monthly taxes included, and the most expensive plan that they currently have, which gives you unlimited talk, text, and data, hotspot. But the main thing is going to be 50 gigs of premium data, guys. So let's actually real quick see if looks like they have that one in stock. The Pro Max is usually the one that sells out the fastest. So let's just say you want that one. New number. Let's just say you're gonna pay for it today. Hold up. There it is. So there you go. So it won't even tell you if it's out of stock. You can still pre-order it. But good Lord, look at the ship dates. November, wow, November 15th of 2024, guys. So let's just look. So that's towards Christmas time. Well, Thanksgiving, really. This one So you just did it. It looks like the pros, usually the pros are really good in stock. So new number, this one ships October 18th if you did that variant. And then the plus is another one that usually sells out. So let's just see how bad the constraint on the inventory is. Same thing, October 18th. The last one that I should have looked at was Apple 16, the iPhone 16. So new number. And so the only one that they seem to have in stock right now is iPhone 16. Although the ones are back ordered till at least October 18th. Or the Pro Max, of course, that one always sells out. As making this video, it's back ordered till the end of mid-November, almost the end of November. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. Would you pick up the iPhone through Boost Mobile, especially with these deals? And yes, it's finally available, so get yours. Or are you gonna do zero? You do the infinite access for the iPhone, or you can also do the financing for 36 months, which is another good deal there. So yeah, thank you guys, and have a good day.